happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is going to be from February the 25th through March the 3rd. And what I did is I made my own stickers with my Cricut, and then it's going to be a theme of like a Paris trip fashion theme. I think it'll be so pretty. And then I picked this paper out. I just think it is gorgeous. I love it. It looks so springy and bright and cheerful. And then I think this goes very nicely with it. And then this is the washi I'm going to be using. Now this paper came from another hot buy pad from Michael's. And they're regularly $19.99, but when they're on a hot buy, they're on sale for like $7. So you cannot beat it, and they have beautiful paper. So if you can tell when they're having their hot buys, definitely try to get in on it. And then I have this washi. I think it's going to look really nice. And then, I don't know which one of these Bic markers that I'm going to be using, but I hauled that big set from Sam's quite a while ago, and either one of these would be beautiful, okay? So let's go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad that everybody loved my little fashion theme for the winter. I had so much fun doing that. Okay, so let's take these pages out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut this paper first because I want it to be the dominant paper of the spread. I think it is gorgeous. It's so, so pretty. And then I love this paper as well. I think it really works together nicely with the busy paper of the flowers. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. I think this is going to be such a beautiful, tranquil spread. Oh, I already love that. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. That is beautiful, just like that. Oh. Okay, I love that. I think a bedroom decorated like that would be gorgeous. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. I think this is going to be so pretty. It's just going to be enough to complement the spread without overdoing it. I'm not liking this washi though. It's not tearing very well. That is so delicate and feminine. Oh, I love it. That is so pretty. Now I'm going to go down through here like I do sometimes. I think it really helps finish off the spread. And then I'll just cut this right here. That is so, so pretty. Okay, so like I said, I made my own stickers and I think they're so pretty. I did a video that if you follow me on Cricut Mondays, that you'll see Monday how I actually made these stickers with my Cricut, but I think they're so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling these off. Now some of them, like this one with my Cricut, it cuts it so intricately that I have problems sometimes. So I'm gonna put this one right down here, like she is just traveling through Paris. And then here's the Eiffel Tower. I thought that would be so pretty. And I may just put it kind of like crooked, like right in there. I think that is pretty. And then let's see. This girl is looking at all the delicious sweets that they have over there. So we'll put her right about here, I think. And let's see. I'll put this one Maybe she's a model. And then this one, I just thought this was so delicate and beautiful. I think I'll put her right here. And this bicycle, I loved it. It is just screams elegant. Let's stick it right about there. And then this one I thought was really pretty. She looks like she's all decked out and ready to go somewhere and have a lot of fun. Maybe I'll just put her right there. And this one, I thought this was really cute. Like she's in bed reading about maybe traveling somewhere. I thought that was really cute. And here's her little book beside her. I think those are adorable. And then this one, she's just, I thought this was just beautiful, so pretty. Kind of like her on this pink. She's so, so pretty. There's even a little Eiffel Tower with this one out in the distance that's pink. I thought that was cute. And this one, I think maybe I'll put her down here. I think that is really, really pretty. And then I only have two more. Maybe I'll put her here, and then her friend right here beside of her. Maybe they've been shopping or something. They're having so much fun. Okay, I think that turned out really cute. So I think that I'll actually use this Polynesian purple thick marker and just write a few things I need to do. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, like I usually do, I think I'm going to take this that was in the Hot Buy. It just says Ooh La La and shows an Eiffel Tower, and I think I'm just going to put it on here. I think this would be really pretty and just brighten up the spread a lot. So that's what I'm going to do. Just going to cut it. You can measure it if you want. I typically never do. I just really eyeball them. Okay. And then I'm just going to glue this on here. And you wouldn't have to put this on a paper if you didn't want to. You could just punch holes in it and put it in the planner, and then you could write on the back. It would give you more room. But like I've said, I use the monthly spread to keep myself on track. And I just do this for a creative outlet because I love it. All right, and then that's what we have. It's so pretty. Then you see me do this many times. I'm just going to flip this over so that I can get my holes punched correctly and just make little dots. And then I'm just going to take my hole punch and punch through that. And now all I have to do is just make my little cut so it'll fit in my Happy Planner. And I have the big Happy Planner. I find it so relaxing to decorate and work in my planner. And that's what we Okay, so let's put my pages back in my planner and take a look at this. But I think this turned out beautiful. So happy, spring-like. I love that, just like that. It's so pretty. And then when you add this, you can put it at the top, you can put it at the middle, you can put it at the bottom. I think I'll put mine maybe right at the bottom. I'm a creature of habit. But I really love how this paper and this washi, it looks so feminine and delicate. I love, and the stickers, I love how they all worked out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.